Here we come to the main elevator at Cardinal World North Catholic High School. Go up to 2. Modern. Capacity 2,500 pounds. Here we go. The other one, this one's 2,500 pounds. Other one's almost 5,000. Any leveling? Sadly, there's not. Go back down to 1. It's a very nice elevator. Same thing with a private school. Really nice elevator. Cardinal World North Catholic High School. You'd actually do a pretty good job maintaining your elevator. Change it before it even moves. Standard light panels. HT regular. ADA compliant phone. And the control panel is in there. There's your alarm bell button. No plastic leveling. I like this elevator a lot. There goes, and that's it.